Hi guys, it's great that you are on Linux. So congratulations for that part already, right? Whatever Linux it is doesn't matter for me. It's great to see you on Linux. Now there are super amount of what ifs probably in your head jumping around. I want to try this, I want to try that, and of course we can't make tutorials about all these what ifs, but this is one that I would like to learn myself. So Latte is up here, right mouse click, and you see here configure Latte. And somebody asked, can we have other themes? Never tried that, right? So like everybody else, you say, I want to learn. Well, first DuckDuckGo or Google or whatever, right? And you just search for information. Now the Latte docs, the first reflex should be always, right? Yay or Paru or Trizon, whatever you want to use, and Latte, and see what you get. Maybe Latte is enough, right? Latte doc. Computer software dedicated to problems? No, not that. And then we go on, right? And actually it's not that long, that list. Because what I would have typed normally, and I've done that a few moments ago, right? Latte theme is what I would have typed, but I know already I won't get any hits. So, are there themes? Where do I get themes? And I just posted something on Telegram to a user saying, okay, just type in Latte theme. And on Plasma maybe, it's enough. And then you get here the storekde.org layout from Latte. And some videos, right? If this is not clear, and this is the first time ever I'm gonna do this, right? You just watch some videos and see if you can figure it out. Here's even a Windows 11 layout if you want to have it. Let's have a look. Just curious, what's it going to be? It's gonna be something like this. Okay, fine, right? Or not fine. It's entirely up to you to decide if we're gonna go for a Mac OS look, etc., etc. Now, all these, the icons will not be there. We're talking about the Latte dock. And then I have to figure out how do I get it in here. There's a download button down here, icons extra zip. We have sometimes also a extension to import things inside Plasma. It's not installed, I think, at this point in time. So let's have a look. Amazing piece of software, very customizable, fine. You start reading. Installing Latte dock, okay. Git version, oh, okay. This is not the Git version that we have, right? It's just the ArcoLinux version. Git means a very, very last bit of coding that's on the GitHub of this developer being built. That's Git, okay. Here we are talking about Manjaro, OpenPAMAC, Latte doc, Git, compilation, installation of Latte doc, how RPMs, importing themes. Okay, let's get smarter, okay. To import the themes into Latte doc, you must run Latte doc and then right-click any part of the doc, layouts, manage layouts, import, click, search, and so on. We're gonna keep that open, right? We're gonna keep that open. So first of all, let's go for a download, see what we get already. There are icons as well supplied, it seems. Large and small. Gonna try this one. Okay. Archive manager, Latte doc, zip, fine. Okay, look at the name. Maybe you download something else and not the Latte doc. I know, right? Somewhere in here was something, right? Default doc, duplicate doc, edit doc, quit doc, layouts, edit layouts. We have to choose something, or we're gonna read again, right? We're gonna read again. And so, what was it again? All kinds of things, widgets. Where did I see it? Importing themes, here we are. Layouts, manage layouts. Okay, layouts, manage layouts. Layouts, manage layouts. Edit layouts then. We can import some things, import from local file from online. What happens then? Nothing. Don't think anything happened now. Oops, wrong button there. Run button, escape. Right mouse click, layouts, edit layouts. Nothing important, did I? No. So import local file, download this one, import. What happens now? Do I need Git version, right? That's gonna be a question that we can't respond to right now. I thought I would see something new now. Nothing happens, but we have more files. So kd extra zip, let's get that one, and let's get that one. Let's open it up. What did we download? And that's how you learn, right? Just keep on trial and error, keep trying out. Open it up, zip, what's in there? There's a layout, Latte in there, okay. And the other one is gonna be icons. Yeah, just a few, 4 icons. And in here is the Latte. The other one, is this now looking different? I don't think so. So layouts, edit layout, import from local file. Do I need to extract this thing? Might be, so let's try it out. Need I extract this thing? Extract here. Okay, so now import from local file, downloads. This one is really a Latte thing, import. There we are, we got something, right? And then we switch, do we? Apply. Why is this not an asterisk? I think that's gonna be, okay. All right, what's happening to my machine, right? What's this? Wow. What's going on, right? Lots of things have changed now. I have switched the layout, was it? No, not the layout, the configure Latte is open already. So let's kill this one. Toggling configure Latte. Layouts editor, we have got this one, it's large. How about the small guy? Oh, the small guy is not extracted yet. The small guy, extract to here. Right, so this guy needs to go in there. Again, download small. This is way too big. So this guy, apply, is not enough it seems. I need to switch. Lots of things happen. Okay, we've got now this. Details is that. Docs and panels is that. An empty panel. Top. I have a right, so that's this guy. Not sure how to get to that thing, but okay, 3 things. Okay, how can I move this guy to somewhere else? Right mouse click. The other moment I had it, edit doc, layouts, no, configure, edit doc, yeah, edit doc. So if I put you to the left in the sense that not alignment, but this left is much better. Escape, does not close, now he closes. Now we got this, it's dead. I don't like these icons to be dead, in the sense that I like them to be becoming bigger when I go over them. Is it appearance, length, item, background, opacity, task, behavior, location, alignment, center, always visible. Oh, what was it again? We can't make this pop up bigger. Dodge active, windows go below, and demand at the size. We can do this, and that. So you see that already. That was where we were. We can go back to the top and to the right. But there is already, it seems, something to the right, so let's put something to the left. Appearance, absolute size. Oh, here it is. I just missed it. Oh, oof. Not enough. Not nearly enough. Okay, close. Voila. Alright. And I'll probably forget it in a few weeks again. But it's what you need to do is figure out, okay, how do I want this look? Now we have kind of, I don't know, well, a panel. I will not mention the other operating system. Kind of looks like it. Can I remove it somehow? If I just want this, can I remove this? Right? I'm actually quite happy with the look. Fine. All right. I don't want all the other stuff. Can I remove this thing? Default tuck, add, no, not add, quit, add panel. Can I remove this thing? Pen, advanced. Oh, never clicked on advanced. Okay. Follow primary screen, blah, 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 visibility, delay, stuff, tracks things. Latte. There must be a button to delete it somewhere. I just am not seeing it. Right mouse click, layouts maybe. Edit layouts. Import export, duplicate new. Double click, nothing happens, just the name. Read only, details maybe. Docs and panels. No, not that. Look at that, this nice little beast. I've got a bug. Whatever. Bug somebody else. Right mouse click. So, still with my what if in my mind, I like to delete parts of Latte. Ooh. Warning. This guy. Can we remove this guy? Yep, that's possible. Can I make this, I'm gonna change this somehow. Oh, I'm probably not seeing it, and you guys have put in hours investigating Latte. This is not what I want on my systems. Software update. Let's get that in. Voila. Bye. Only ads. There can't be only add. Let's try this one again. This can't be it. Sorry guys to make this video a bit longer than I need it to be, but I can't find where it is to delete panels. Edit dock, quit Latte, configure down, edit dock. That's this thing. I would think this is the place to be. Oh my god, right mouse click. Oh, remove panel. It's gone. Panel removed. Now there's something in here. Don't know if it's activated by some kind of key. That's F12, F1, F2, F3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nope. Oh, okay, make a new folder. That's nice to know. F10. Okay. F10 is a create a new folder kind of thing. Okay, F10. Gotta remember that. F11? No, F10. Okay, cool. Voila, let's not make the video longer, but there are so many more Latte docs in there. But I do believe there are extensions to install quickly from the browser into your system in Plasma. I'm not sure what it's called again. I thought it was installed by default. We had it already. But voila. Let's call this video, let's stop this video and do another one and see if we can make something new.